How to fix Android keyboard not showing up. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see if your Android keyboard is not working, how you can actually fix it. So let's say if you are trying to type something on your Android device but your keyboard is not showing up, then in that case, I'll show you guys how you can fix it. So if I go over and type something here, I'm able to use my keyboard, but if you're not able to use it or if it's not showing up at the bottom of your screen, what you need to do first is make sure that you have your keyboard enabled. So go over to your settings menu, scroll down until you find general management, where you can manage your language and keyboard. It might be different depending on the device you have, so it might be somewhere else, but you just basically have to find your keyboard settings. So I'll go over to keyboard list and default, and I can just tap on it. Currently my default keyboard is Google Keyboard, and then from there you can just go ahead and make sure that the Gboard or if there are any keyboard that you're using is enabled. I'm only using Gboard right now, so I can just go ahead and tap on it and manage its settings. But if you see an option to re-enable any other keyboard, you can do that as well. Now in my case, I'm currently using Gboard, so what you can do next is go over to your apps and then find Gboard from the list of your apps. I'll just scroll down and find Gboard. Once you have it, you can just tap on Gboard. Now you can try to clear its cache, because sometimes there are some junk files that are on the app that might be causing the issue. Then what you can do next is clear its default updates. So what you can do now, first try to force stop the app by tapping on force stop at the bottom right. And then from here, you can give your phone a quick restart. Just go ahead and hold on to your power button and then tap on restart. And in many cases, just restarting your device will completely fix the issue. Now you can go ahead and type in something and check if your keyboard is working. My keyboard currently switched over to Samsung keyboard, so I'll just go over to Gboard and then just use it like that. And that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.